Okay, check it out, man. That's the newly wound UNUN, the newborn UNUN, connected to the chaos desperation wire. I've made my connection on the 64-to-1 tap. Curious if this UNUN behaves any differently. I was happy to see that it behaves spectacularly. SWR of 1.0, 0 impede reactance, 45 ohms. Let's see what we got band edge to band edge. Ooh, am I shaky? We'll take 1.5 there. And we'll take, yeah boy, we'll take 1.5 there. The newborn UNUN is a success. Man, I should stop pronouncing it Union. I forgot all about it till a commentor left a comment. God, I'm shaky. Holy 73.